Now, Kush, Adani Enterprises was another one which reported its September quarter numbers. The numbers were rather hard for, at least for me, to comprehend. I saw, like, if you see, net profit is down, 50% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA margins are seen improving. First of all, how are you even reading these numbers? And given that the stock has corrected significantly, even yesterday I think we saw it correct. It was among the top gainers, up about 3% or so, gave up all its gains by the end of the session. But today I think it's up about 1 or 2% or so, actually 2.5% this morning. Is the earnings going to play a factor in the stock prices because the business model is so complicated, or is the street looking beyond that?
So thankfully for me, I don't really delve so much into the numbers. Coming from a technical standpoint, what I'm looking at is that the stock's clearly under pressure. Ever since it hit the 2700 high somewhere, end of August, it's been on the downturn. The bounce that we are seeing today is more of a technical bounce. The stock had gone into an oversold territory around the 2200 level, but from there on, if you see, it's not even crossing its 20-day 200-day moving average, which resides somewhere close to 20 to 80 levels. So I think the stock will continue to be under pressure. And if I'll talk about the entire pack or the entire group per se, the only two stocks that we really like here are first Adani Power and then second Adani Ports. So Adani Enterprises does not really even fall on my radar. I mean, the price action itself is very clear for me to sort of put an avoid on this. What I would be concerned about is the 2200 level being held. If that is broken out, the stock could actually slip below, and go down as low as perhaps even 2050 kind of levels. So for me, this is a very clear avoid at the moment. I would actually focus on Adani Power if I were to pick something from this table.